again in the basement, doing computer stuff and messing around with rigs and whatever. Just got this in CPU. This is not a fast CPU. It's only a Ryzen 3 Pro 3200. I just kind of needed something to crank up. But this one, I'm gonna put this over there. The bad boy in there. Try to. Got these off again. So I'm messing around as usual. Always touching things. Always touching things. Constantly touching things. I don't remember how to get this out of here. How to remove this glass from here. Can't remember. I think it's through here. If this glass falls, it's over. It is over. What's up? Hey, what's going on? Live chat. Oh, I gotta click it on live chat. So I gotta figure out how to remove this again. I don't remember. I did it once and I'm never gonna remember again. Alright, upward, downward. I might not even be able to get it off right now. I can't remember how to open this damn thing. This thing slides off and falls. Oh, okay, slides. Okay. Like that. All right. So it's, all right, yeah, slides and comes off. Doing computer things. Computer thing. Well, it's computer stuff. Messing around with computers here. Who's here? What's up? What's up? Put the CPU in there. Oh man, I don't have CPU paste, right? I would get caught like that in the last second. I don't think I have anymore. But that's okay, because I wasn't gonna put the whole thing together completely. I put in the CPU here. Okay. I just need some freaking might have, I don't think so. I believe I ran out of it. I'm always running out of something. Never have enough. Never have enough. Let's see what I have. Don't have like this. This. Yeah. Don't have anymore. Got to wait. That's it. And going any further. I don't have any thermal paste, so I can't go any further. I can't put I can put the fan on, and if I put this GPU here, I can put the GPU, right? Well, and again, I'm still gonna put these cables as well. That's another thing. I gotta put these cables here. I got this disconnected. Got things all over the place, man. These I gotta put these. This is power LEDs, and this one is the power switch. exactly on this board. Board is a little different from the other boards, so can't quite remember. Little flashlight. I don't even know what a reset switch is. Same thing, right? Power switch. Power. I need the manual. I don't want to, you know, connect that without knowing what I'm doing here. Because then I'm going to blow something out. Just got to be sure on that. Is it worth getting a 2060? Well, whatever you could afford, I would say, to be honest with you. But I you know, it depends. It depends what you could afford and what you're doing with it. You know, what games you're playing or whatever it is. How you're using the computer. That's what I would go by. What can you afford? And, you know. But if you can afford more money, I wouldn't. Probably just go with a 3060 and up. That's what I would do. But if you can, you know, you can, you know, it depends what you're doing with it. That's the first thing. And then what you could afford, that's number two. But I probably would go like 3060 and up. I probably would do that. That's what I would do. I need the freaking, hold on. Let me get the freaking manual for this board. Because I am going to blow this pieces. If I don't, look, the manual. If I have the manual, all right, here we go. Got the manual. I don't want to just connect those cables and boom, voila, done, fried. So 10. I want to be sure what pins I'm doing here, because if I just start it's number 7. System panel connector. Power button. Can I just see the diagram here really quick? Why it's gotta be so difficult? I don't even have a diagram big enough for me to see. No, these people do things, man. Trying to see. I just don't want to just shove things in there. Things like, I think I got it right. You know, one of those. There's no thinking. I gotta get it right. Gotta get it right, man. It's gotta be that way because that's not gonna get to anything. But if I understand, so let's see, it would be 1, 2, 1, 2. What's the diagram, man? Yeah, I'm showing the pin arrangement. I gotta do like the kind of like the guessing game, you know what I mean? This is crazy. I just don't understand. I don't understand, man. That's some people. I don't know what they do, man. I want to say what page. I think that's what it was. I gotta play guessing game. Power button. Oh God. Let's try to guess then. Which here? Okay. What about the LEDs? We're saying negative. They're both saying negative. But what's the positive? Power. Get it. Is it top to bottom or left to right? Holy crap. It's just unbelievable, man. I just don't understand these people. I could put it top to bottom, left to right. I don't know. I don't know why they do these things, man. I gotta get my glasses too, man. I can't fucking see correctly. Straight in my eyes. And then it's like microscopically printed. So you gotta get it right. Just gotta get it right. I mean, I could do assumptions here. I could do this. Just plug it in right now to see if it powers up. Right? Can I do that? Will it work? I don't know. Yeah, okay. Power's on. You saw that, right? We know it powers is powering up. That is the power switch. Fine. Fine. So I got that right. I got that right. Okay. All right, so this is for LED lights, right? The LED probably for the top or whatever. We got a power LED. This shirt feels like I'm wearing it back. And this one's a positive, and this one's a negative. That's why I don't know where to go. Is it top to bottom or left to right? You know what I mean? Top to bottom or left to right? And they both say negative, negative. What? I don't get it. Power button. Maybe I don't even, maybe I didn't even put it right. Let me see. I didn't even put this right. Begin button first. Oh, over here. Okay. It's not gonna do anything. Reset. Still can't tell if it's top to bottom or left to right. Can't. This thing is freaking micro printed. And it's stupid. It's just stupid. Stupid. It's just stupid. There's no image here to show you nothing. Just guess. Just guess. That's it. Just guess. Just guess. Blow it out. That's it. It's your problem. And this says over here, just a F panel. That's it. That's it. Just like that. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 9 pins. And you don't tell me what pin is what. You don't say what pin is what. Or how to arrange stuff. Holy crap. What it says is this connector supports several chassis mounted functions. Okay, but that's it? That's all you're gonna tell me? That's it? That's it? They'll tell me the arrangement and I'll show you no picture. It shows you other pictures, no arrangement or how you. What am I getting out of this? So stupid. Just stupid stuff. Sheesh. Just plug it anywhere, right? Absolutely nothing. Nothing. It says nothing. No wonder a lot of people return these things. Speaker. I'm gonna shove this thing somewhere. Shove these things somewhere. Shove these things somewhere, right? Fan. What fan? Wow. Amazing. Well, I gotta pull more cables out of here. I think I stuck them in here. This. I use that cheesy power supply there. Yep. Little cheesy one. We doing what we doing. HDD. What are we doing, man? Take a picture. That might help me. Camera. Take a picture with light. I can expand it closer. Below that, it's like a whole bunch of little dust particles there. All right, that's better. What I'm seeing. HDD LED positive, but this doesn't say HDD, right? This is power LED. Okay, it's the top one. Power LED. Stick this in here like that, right? That's savage. It doesn't even tell you which one's positive, so going with the negative. That one is negative, so you go with the negative. Like that. I'm going like that. Let's go with that. See what happens. Where it was all lighting up. What happened now? You know what? That's what happens when you put it in the wrong spots. Do something. I probably did it now. It was lighting up. Now it's not lighting up. It probably blew out all the lights there. Whose fault is that, right? Unreal. Let me try that this damn phone. It's just crazy bugging me out here. Yes, sir. I messed something up. Yes, no. I think I messed something up. Wasn't this coming on? The lights, all the lights were on. Nice. this out of here. Don't need this. Don't need this. Probably messed up the board. The lighting part, the fan lights. Who knows? Maybe it just went to, I think it just probably went to like some kind of mode. Because I don't have everything on. Yeah, sure. Sure it did, right? What was that anyway? Oh, it's a speaker. There you go. Okay, that's what I put it in the wrong spot. E-Power. All right, I did that. What's up with this flashlight? Okay, let's see the fan. Battery ain't working. Great. Interesting. This is what power LED. I think it's like this. I can't see, man. Everything just always falls apart. There you go. Come on. Power LED, all right. Negative is this side. There we go. There you go. There you go. Here it came on. Power switch LED. That's all that was. Power switch LED. All right. Hard drive LED, right? HDD LED. And it's a reset switch for these three up. Okay. Got it finally. But I messed something up. So I don't have any thermal paste, which is a nice thing. No thermal paste. No thermal paste. What do you do? What do you use for? You don't have no thermal paste. Glue? I use glue, right? I use glue. Let me see if I got got one of these bad boys. I got this one, but I don't have any thermal paste. Let me see if I can find a little bit somewhere. The whole tube ran out. No thermal paste. No thermal paste. Nice. Well, what I could do, I could do this. I could do this temporarily because I just want to see if it works. But what I'm going to do is this temporary fix here. here. Where is it? Temporary fix here. This is temporary. I'll just use this thermal pad just for a little bit, you know, just to test it out. I have thermal paste, so kind of want to put it together. So I'll just use the thermal pad right onto this right here, like a savage, like a savage. I'll just use this thin thermal pad. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna use thermal pad temporarily. It's gonna work, right? It's gonna work. Got to work. Go. Shove this right on top of here. Put it right there. Stick it like that. All crazy. Stick it like that. All crazy. Is it thick enough? Let me see. This piece. It's not thick enough. Just get another piece. A little bit off. Thick. Okay. I use what I got. I use thermal pad. No thermal paste. Savage. Like that. Oh man. It's gotta work, right? It's got to work. Now, fan cable. It's gotta be on top, right? The only spot. Just be sure. It's right there. Hard part, because the way I got this up here like this, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Pain in the butt. Ooh, can't even see. Yup. Should have did the top first, right? I like to do things hard, so I can't see. There's a lot of I can't sees. There's a lot of I can't see. Yup. A lot of I can't sees. How is this? Like this. And we'll do the top first. Do the top first. Not something I can't see. Top first. Let's try to get to the bottom. Nothing's easy. Nothing's easy in the world. My hand is so. Oh shit! The lighting is like horrible. The lighting is like horrible. Clamp it down. The lever. There you go. Put the cable in. There's no lighting here. No light. It's dark. Right there. There you go. That's done. Let's take this GPU. This here. Step by step, step by step. Hello, Amars. Hello. Hello. I need a screwdriver. Nothing's easy. Nothing's easy. Nothing's a cakewalk, man. Nothing is a cakewalk. Nothing is a cakewalk. Let's see. Just shove this. How many of these I need? Just one slot, the top one. So let's remove the top one. Move that piece. Here we go. Stick this in there. Just shove it in there like that. All right. Right in here. All right. How many screws I need? Two. Need 2 screws. I need 2 screws. I'm moving on. I'm moving on, man. I'm moving on. 2 screws. Moving forward. Moving forward. I am moving forward. Keep pushing. I'm pushing forward, man. I'm pushing forward. I am pushing forward, guys. Everything's dark. See this? I don't know if this fits here. Am I stripping everything? It's coming in or am I stripping? I'll just shove it in there. Doesn't feel good. Kind of tight feel. So, which means this screw probably don't belong in here. I'm gonna squeeze this shit in here. Just like that. I think this screw's too big. It's okay. Who cares? Who cares, man? As long as it holds. Who cares? You want to put this too tight anyway. You want to loosen that with your fingers because then you gotta go back in here. All right, I'll put that in there. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Just put this back. I like to kind of start reversing, putting things back, and cleaning up. I'm doing things because I don't have a huge mess. That's the way I do things. Now, let's see. Throw some power. Throw some power into that GPU. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist. I don't even know where this goes, man. I have no freaking clue. Oh, I forgot. There's no hard drive in here. Oh, nice. I forgot that I don't have the hard drive. Yeah, I think I'm going to get it tomorrow. Let me do some tracking. Holy moly. So for now, I got the GPU in. I'm going to have to remove it again because I think it's under the GPU. I totally forgot about the hard drive. No hard drive. No SSD. I forgot that I got it. That's coming in. I don't know. It might be coming in tomorrow. But that's okay. That's all right. That's all right. Let's go and check. Let's track it down. Let's track it down, man. Let's track it down. Nothing's easy. Nothing's easy. Repeating offer. Sold. It's the one that I had before. Okay. Purchases. Oh, so I'm getting this tomorrow. Got a couple of things coming in, but I'll just check. That's gonna come in tomorrow. Yeah, the heart. It looks like it's gonna come in tomorrow. Well, that's coming in tomorrow. SSD drive. It's gonna come in tomorrow. And I got another package coming in tomorrow. It is what it is. Let's see. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. There's no hard drive in there. But at least it's doing something. It's spinning. Okay. Fan is working. These fans are not on. They want these fans on. Something's not connected, that's why. How about that, sir? There's another, it's probably another cable. Oh, the light's on, right? It's probably this cable. Probably, sir. All right. Let's see. TPM. Yes, sir. How? I don't know. Unless they come on automatically. Let that on, let that on. That's on. Maybe that's Chafan, whatever. Chafan, whatever. Oh, yes, sir. All right, so what I'm gonna do is let's see if I'm getting any posts. Let's see if it's posting. We can check that. Getting it posting. What happened? thing I don't have is a hard drive, so I should still be seeing some kind of posts. Let's see. First thing is to gotta see something on the screen. Gotta see something on the screen. Gotta see something on the screen. Something. Connections. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. See, we see any posting here. The fans are not on. It must be the cable. I mean, they're all bunched up on the bottom there. Let's see if it's anything posts. Oh, yes, 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 yes. See that? Yes. Yes, sir. Good. Everything's good. Well, the board is powering up. Just gotta enter setup and then do pick the drive. Put the BIOS. I mean the working. It's working. It's working. All I gotta do is just install Windows on the hard drive, and I'm good to go. And I'm good to go. And I'm good to go. But another thing is the fans. What's up with these fans? They're not coming on. Where is the fan cable? It's probably in the back. That's another damn thing. But where does it go? The fan cable. It might go over here. It probably, if it's in the back, it's gonna come out and it's gonna go right there. There's a spot there, I believe, but that's where it goes. I believe. Let me shut this off. Pull this out. Oh, yes, sir. I believe that's where it goes. So I gotta pull this panel. It's tucked here somewhere. The fan. The cable for the fans to spin. Gotta look. Different motherboard. Come on. I need light. Let's go. The battery's dying out. Nothing's easy. Nothing's easy. Nothing's easy, man. All right. Coming on. Nothing's easy. This might be it. That's 3 pin. 3 pin. Nothing's easy, sir. Pull these wires out. I gotta figure out what. LED. What a tangled mess. Is it this one? I don't think so. Maybe. We got 1, 2, 3. Where did this one go? Plug into here. This should be giving it power. So it's giving it power. Yeah. 3-pin here. 3-pin connector here. 3-pin connector, and that, let's see. Let's see what we got here. Look at the stupid manual. Look at the stupid manual again. What's up? Main Eli. I'm just putting together that computer. I got a little cheap CPU in today, and I put it in there. I kind of put it together, but I forgot I didn't have the SSD drive is coming tomorrow. I thought I had it. I mean, I wasn't thinking about it, but it's okay. So I'm kind of pre-building it. Yeah, so a lot of things are happening. All right. As far as the pool, I'm kind of messing around with that. It's up to like 3 something in the morning. I don't know, late. So it appears to be working, and what I did was because I want to put, like, I don't want to. Right now, I'm renting 2 servers, so I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that for a few reasons. I want to be able to control my stuff. I could get more bang for my buck. You know what I mean? Like, because, you know, let's say I rent the server that I got is like, it's not as fast as I know I can build, or I can, you know what I mean? The CPU is not that. It's like it's a 4-core. Okay, it's a 4-core. It's an 8 GB RAM, and the hard drive is not even that big. It's like 200 GB hard drive, and I'm gonna be paying like $40 a month. So that's the thing. You know, around that range. I got another one from another company, and it's pretty much the same around. You can't get a good deal. That, you know, I'm like, come on, not even a terabyte of a hard drive SSD. So that's why I'm doing it the other way. I'm doing it the other way, man. I'm gonna have it here where I can control everything. If I need RAM, I got this mini one right here. This mini one right here alone. I don't want to disconnect it. This mini one right here alone. This is AMD Ryzen, and it's got it's an 8-core though, but it's way better than the 2-core that they're offering me, and I'm paying like $40 a month. 8-core. This got, I swapped the drive on here. I put a 1 terahash SSD drive. The one that they're giving me is like 200 gigabytes. The RAM that they're giving me, it's 2 gigabytes RAM. This has 16 gigabytes RAM. And then I can upgrade. I can, slap in RAM. I can, I can change the hard drive, the CPU. I don't think I could do that on this. This one's built-in board. But doesn't matter. If I were to try to even get close to this, I'm paying like almost $100,000 a month to even try to push it to this, and still won't be, and I still won't be get even a terahash of hard drive. I can get up to the probably eight the 8 cores, but it's still gonna be like 100. It's gonna hit like 100,000 a month. That's only for one server. What about the other one? You know, I need 2 or more. So, but my intention is this. I'm running on this. The main software, the whole controls running on this. This one was a little pricey. It was like about $300. I mean, I'm sure you can get cheaper ones. This was brand new. I didn't get the used one, but it was about $300, right? This model. But the main software, and the Stratums will run on this right here. I put it like this. It looks so pretty. You know what I mean? A little pretty thing. That's my intention, okay? But it's not a problem. Each core wallet for each coin, I'm thinking I can do it separately on each. Like you can buy another one for each coin. I don't necessarily need to do that because I can fit like maybe a few wallets and it will run on one. It just don't. The wallets don't need a lot of memory and RAM and all that. What I could do is this one is going to be the most. But my whole thing was this: how to get a static IP. So that was the thing, and I was like, static IPs are not generally given to the general public. Whatever, you got a business, you got this and that, whatever. But I remembered that I had NordVPN. I got that. I have a VPN. So I went on there on the website, and then I saw that I can get my own static dedicated IP, okay, for an additional cost of $70 a year. And that is what I did. I signed up for it. It's everything steps. I signed up for it right away. Boom, okay, boom. I added $70 on top of what I'm paying for NordVPN. Now I'm happy about that. I overcame that obstacle. That was the biggest obstacle to get a static IP. You need that static IP. Can't switch around. It's not going to work right. The IP has to be the same. That was the worst thing. So got that. The next step I have to do is I have to do this in step because I forgot I haven't installed in 2 different servers with 2 different companies right now. I didn't go with the same company on the other one because I found a cheaper one, to do the wallets, the 2 wallets, the Osmium and the other one. I have those 2 wallets on one server in a different company. So that was the worst. So I go and now I'm looking at my router. This was a bought router. I didn't rent it from Verizon. I got Verizon. So I didn't rent that router from it. I bought it. I paid almost $200 for the router. So now I got to see if that router supports whatever it was that it says there. In order, there's a lot of them that support doing that. So I'm looking, I'm Googling online and everything. I'm checking, and so it happens to be that router, because I have to download a software right into the router, I have to download a software into that router. Okay, on your pool, I have Stratum issues. I tried others, no problem. Okay. Yeah. That's the thing. That's another thing. I'm trying to figure that out too. I'm working on that. Do you have difficulties set to random? I don't think so. But I'm gonna get back to my guy again because I had like another major issue. So I was like trying to fix that. It was like that was like hell. But he did. I mean, I mentioned it to him. Like I did mention it to him, and he was like, there can be various things like connection issues, internet issues. He wrote them down. I mean, he said it, and I just kind of jotted them down. So I'm still trying to solve that problem. Okay. Now I'm working on that. I'm working on that. And I told him what you said, and he came out with, okay, it could be various problems. So you got to narrow down to what it is. So the thing is, all right, let me get back to with that on that. So what I noticed is when I connected with these, right? All right, like you did CC minor, I am having issues. Okay, I noticed that too. Like it's connecting and it doesn't connect. Connects, doesn't connect. You know what I mean? It's like it's running, but it connects. So that's what I noticed too last night when I was looking at what you were doing. Because I came downstairs and said, let me see if mine's are doing that. What the issue, kind of what you're doing. It says stratum, whatever, disconnection. I don't know if that's coming up on your screen. So I saw that. I saw stratum. I was like, okay, this is what Eli was talking about. But I have the X11 ones that I'm renting. I think I might be having slight issue with them. They're not doing like 100%, but I'm still getting money back. For that it's not peaking what I'm supposed to be getting. So it's something wrong there. Something wrong there. I gotta get to that. I'm definitely on top of it. So I know it's like a 1, 2, 3 thing. Click, click, bloop, bloop. I gotta look into it. I gotta look into the that server, the main server. So now, okay, like I was saying, I overcame that part with the static IP. Now the router thing. So it happens to be that router that I have, that I bought, does not support that. I have to buy another router, which I'm going to do like 2-3 days. I'm going to buy that router. Okay, that can support that, where I will be able to download the NordVPN file that I have downloaded. That actually I downloaded 2 of them, so there's 2 different ones depending on what you're doing. One is like a internet speed for like streaming or whatever, and then there's the other one, that it's like give or take which one. It's just the way it is. But I do have the static IP. But so I gotta get that. Once I get that, I gotta configure that whole damn thing as well. But I'm still gonna be working on that. I'm pushing that today. That issue that you're talking about. Tonight. I can't stay up too late tonight, but that's going to be, because right now I had like a whole big thing I had to fix. And I told him to fix something that was very simple, and I went to bed. I was like, okay, you take care of this for me. For me, it was a security thing on it. I was like, look, I don't want that there. Just get that out of the way. I don't want it there. And he said, I gotta do it. And when he did it, it wasn't the way I would have done it. And then what I did was, what happened was this. Oh, I was so frustrated and pissed off that because of what he did, and he wasn't available at the time, I freaking went and I restored it, from a backup, the main server. Thinking it's gonna, everything's gonna be right. I'm probably gonna lose just graphical data. I said, okay, I'm probably gonna lose a few hours of graphical data. Fuck it, whatever. I still wasn't feeling good about that either. I used some graphical data. I was like, I don't know, So now the rigs are gonna be off for a little bit, and then they're gonna kick back on when it connects. I'm thinking that, okay, it's gonna be, whatever. This is all new, so I gotta do this. I gotta do this anyway. So, because I didn't like what he did, and I don't know exactly what he did in coding, what he removed. It's like, oh man, this guy went inside and took some lines out, too many lines. I don't like what it's doing now, So I did that, turned it back on with the backup that I had, and it didn't work. I was like, oh fuck, you know what I mean? So what happened was, like, the 2 terminals that were connected to the Stratums, those were off. That was another learning thing. I had to figure out how to turn them on, and then I'm struggling. I'm like, okay, sudo this, that, and the other in Ubuntu. But then the guy came on, and I was like, hey, I need help, and he was able to turn it back on. He's like, oh, what happened? And I was like, look, I didn't like what you did, and I just decided to go bring it back, revert it back. I just don't like the way the function, like the way you took too many extra lines, and now like when I'm clicking on the top, it's just all wonky. And I should have just did it myself. So he got it up and everything, and I went and I fixed the thing that I wanted to fix, the security thing that I wanted to fix, and I was like, good, I got that out the way, I got that fixed. So it's like everything is a step at a time. So there's a few steps. I'm definitely gonna hit that. That's gonna be, so I felt relaxed, and I was like, all right, now I was here, came downstairs, and I started messing around with that after I cleared that off. Right now it's like, don't, like there's so many things like, in other words, I can get another coin there, but no, don't do the coin. I don't want to do the coin yet. I don't want to install another coin. I want to overcome that issue that you're talking about. I want to overcome that. I don't care about how the site looks pretty or whatever. It's function. It has to work right. That's it. It needs to work. A to B. Everything's got to go. Okay, so I did. If you look, I did hit a few blocks. I hit some on maximum, but that was with the I think the X11 rigs. I can't. It's I got two rigs running that I rented, but it did hit I think 4 on one and 3 on another. Okay, so right, check it out. I'm gonna get to you in a minute. So I did hit some blocks. So that was like my ultimate test. I needed to see. It's gonna go to the main core wallet, and then that wallet is going to distribute it to the people at a certain time. I think every hour, whatever. I think every 2 hours or whatever. I already set it to. I can't remember every single setting. So I had to find out. So I had to confirm that it go to the servers, the pool's core wallet. It went there. Everything went good. I just confirmed it. I looked. It was there. It was deposited there. Whatever. So now I was waiting for it to send it to my pay wallet, to my own deposit wallet. And it went. Everything worked. That's exactly the test that I needed to do. Make sure that this is moving the right direction. Now I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, what we got? All right. Okay. No problem. It's still hashing. Yeah. It's hashing. I don't know if you look at the screen. I mean, I got it off right now. If you look at the screen, it'll say like, I'm gonna turn it on. I don't know if Josh is saying this, but I'm going to do it. That you're here. I gotta get this solved. I mean, I'm gonna get it solved. We're gonna get it solved. Just bear with me. Nobody's losing. We're not losing nothing. We're losing time, man. You're losing time. Yeah, I know. We're losing time. That's why I'm not the type of person. I don't like to hold people's, let's say, money, right? I don't want to hold nobody's money. That is why I want to set this pool to pay out right away, in case something happens. And I'm not going to be like, these, like the pools that they have, like, in order for it to pay out, you got to have X amount of coinage. And so basically they're, like you're like stuck there, and either you keep on mining, or if not, it's going to still hold whatever coins you got there. It's going to pay. I want it to pay right away. Like, in other words, it's only, I got it set to 1% pool mining or whatever mining. But I set one of the coins to pay out at 0.05, I think, or maybe both of them. I don't know whichever one. In other words, it's very little fractional amount of the coin. It's because I just wanted to pay out. I don't want to hold nobody's coin, because if it happens to, I get hacked or something like that, they just take whatever's in there. No one really loses anything, but maybe a fraction of a coin or whatever. So that's my thing. It's like security. So that's why I was trying to fix a thing that I thought to me, when I seen it, I said, this doesn't look good. And the guy was like, oh, they still can't get in. They cannot get in that way. They need password. And it's like, no, it doesn't look good, because if they try to brute force it, they can get in. And I'm gonna handle this, But I let him handle it, and I screwed it up. I mean, he screwed it up. So I fixed it though. I fixed that issue. I was like, I know how to do this. I need to figure. I don't know. I'm not an expert at coding and stuff like that. I know some PHP. I know a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but I'm not too familiar with Ubuntu. So I hate working with that. I hate it. I hate it. It's like I'm scared. Like every time I do something, I'm so afraid that I'm gonna break something. It's like it's not like Windows or whatever, but it's not that way. But like I say, I don't want to hold, do you see things happening, oh god, the wallets people break in, there's hackers, they know what they're doing, and then they go into the wallet, let's say they go into one of the wallets, happen to for a minute take whatever it's there, fine. No one's really losing anything because I've been paying out, you know what I'm saying? My wallet's been paying out right away. So you might lose a fraction of whatever it is from my wallet, from the main core wallet. So I want it that way. And like I don't want to be like, oh, I'm gonna hold, like for instance, oh, it's not gonna pay. I'm just making something stupid up. It's not gonna pay you unless you have 2 whole Bitcoins. You know what I mean? So you have to wait until you reach 2 whole Bitcoins. Meanwhile, I got 2 whole Bitcoins of yours, 2 whole Bitcoins of this guy, 2 whole big. I'm not doing things like that. I'm just being a little exaggerated. Not, you know what I mean? You understand what I'm trying to say? I'm not doing. I want to disperse it right away. If you hit, some coins might be set to 1 coin, not Bitcoin, but 1 coin. Let's say a little bullshit coin that's already worth like a nickel or whatever, 10 cents, 20 cents, right? You just got to have 1 of that coin. And if you hit that hour, it's going to pay you out. So I'm not holding nothing. I'm not holding nothing. You know what I mean? That's the way I want it. Okay. Okay, you switched to Awesome Miner. Okay. I saw that. I must have been doing that on the Red machine too. I'm lost. What were you doing? What were you doing on the other machine? Let me know, because I gotta figure that. I don't know. I'm not an expert on like cryptocurrency thing. I'm not an expert. I'm just like you, Joe Schmo, whatever. I mean, you probably know more than me about cryptocurrency. I don't know how all that works and all that crypto and stuff, but I'm learning. But I'm just getting into this project here. I mean, it's fun. It's fun. I got listed. I think I told you. I don't know. I think I told you. I did get listed in what is it? The one that everybody goes to? The what is it? I can't think of the top of my head. Mining Stats? Is that what it is? Right? Is that Miner Stats or whatever? Go, you check it out. I'm there. I got listed there. What is it? Mining Stats? Mining. That's what it's called, right? Mining Stats, right? I don't know. Check it. I'm there. I still, I was dancing. I was like, yeah, because I there's only 3 of them that I really want to get listed in. That one was one. That one was, I was dancing when I got there. I was like, oh, finally, man. I was waiting like 3 days, man. I was like, I was like, oh, they're probably gonna be picky that oh, this new guy, whatever. I don't know if they own pools or whatever, or you got to pay them on the side, a type of thing. I don't know. But when I saw yes, I was like so happy. I spoke to another YouTuber, and he was like congratulating me that I got that. I'm getting fun moving. I was like, this is all a hobby for me. It's fun. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm pretty much doing. It's like I like it. You know what I'm saying? So, I got it listed there. Boom! That was like a great accomplishment for me right there. So I got it there. I got it at the other bullshit place, What2Mine too. I got it listed there, What2Mine. Nobody really uses What2Mine anymore, but I just threw it in there. And the next one is going to be right now I'm waiting for it. Hashrate.no. And that's it. I don't care about any other places. It's like this. When you create a website, right? You want it to be in the search engines, right? Just all you got to do is get it on Google and Microsoft. Forget about the rest. They're all going to follow through. Eventually they're going to get, it's going to go through. It's going to go to them. So I got some little tactics anyway. But so like I said, so once I get, hopefully Hatchway, I fill out the form that they had. It's a little bullshit form. So I filled out the form. I submitted it to hashrate.no. So I get it there. Okay, fine. I'm moving on. like I said, I'm not trying to beat anybody, hero miners or whatever. I'm gonna pick coins that I like, you like, or whoever likes to give me suggestions, and do a couple of them. I don't want to do like a million coins, that type of thing. But good coin, good coin. But I'm still trying to get a GP mineable coin. So and I was told Raptorium. I'm working on it. I don't know which one, but I want to lay that, push that to the getting the coins. It's not too much of a problem depending on some of the stratums or whatever. Getting the coins is not too much of an issue. Some coins are easier than other ones to add or whatever. That's not too much. That's not the whole thing. I just want to make sure everything is running and going the right direction, the controls and everything. That is what. So that issue is what I want to solve that issue. Maybe it's a stupid X11 thing. You know what I mean? I never mined a coin with X11. Never did. I never did that. I never did X11. So I found out about that CC miner, that you could connect with CC miner. This and that. I was like, I could. And yesterday I was still messing around with it too. What I was doing, I was like, because of what you said, late at night, I was like, I came downstairs. It was like freaking like 2 a.m. I come downstairs and I go, I'm gonna mess around with it. Well, let me try to do it on Hiver West. Maybe it's just an issue with that stupid little program, or I can get it on Hiver. I couldn't get nothing to connect, nothing show up on Hiver West. I don't know how to set it. I select the CC miner, and I put the version. I went down a version or whatever. I tried that. They have I don't know if it's the same thing. It says X11 Dark. Is that the same thing? I don't know. I was like, so I tried it, X11 Dark. I picked that, and there was another one that said it I think 11 to X16, something like that. So I tried that one too. It did nothing. It's not doing it. It's like, it's not doing anything. It's just not working. So I don't know how to set it up to that. Never did. No, no troubles. I know you have no troubles with Ubuntu. It's your stratum has random turned off. So okay, so you're saying that this what you could tell me, like, what in particularly that in the stratum. It's okay. All right. So I got to make sure I jot this down. So you're saying it's stuck on 10K. Okay. So, all right. So you're saying that the stratum, because we had a little issue at the beginning with that when we initially did it, and I was telling, hey, I got some connection issues, whatever, with the CC miner. Originally, I remember exactly off the top of my head. So he asked me, do you want me to do it within the pool? I can put the 10,000 in the pool, or just tell people pretty much, like C10, whatever, 10,000. So I was like, I don't know. What do you suggest? So I believe he put 10,000 within the pool. So I am going to tell him, unless I could find it, to disable that. I'm going to check for that 10,000. So it should be, I'm going to give it a try this. So it shouldn't be 10,000. Like, just leave it alone. The difficulty, right? The 10,000 difficulty. It's stuck on 10,000. That's the problem. That's what you think, right? Is that what it is? Is that where we're going? Because I'm gonna hit that like a head-on collision today. All right, so let's I'm gonna show you if yours say this. What am I doing? Okay, what's going on here? Which one I got plugged in? Which one I don't got plugged? Let's see. All right. So, okay. Because initially, right away, like at the beginning, I forgot the issue. Then I was telling him, "Oh, I'm having trouble with CC minor, this, that, and the other." And then he was coming out with that about 10,000. I wasn't sure, but I said, "Well, I gotta put 10,000." And then he asked me, "What do you want me to put it at? And do you want to put it within the pool or with?" I wasn't sure. Like, you know more than me. Um, so I was like, "Wait, what do you suggest?" And then he was like, "I think he said to put it into the pool 10,000. So that's where it is. It should be variable difficulty." Okay, 10,000. Okay, stuck on 10K. It should be variable difficulty. Thanks for telling me that. I will jot that down right now. The 10. It should be variable difficulty. I got a pen right here. I'm gonna write it down. Let me write it down. Hold on. Let me go upstairs. Write it down. Okay, I got a pen and paper here. I got a lot of things in my mind. Yes, so jotting it down. I forgot. What did he say? Mini lie, right? Okay. Yes, sir. I'm gonna be on top of that. If I could find it myself, but this guy's not gonna come on till like freaking almost 10 o'clock or whatever, 9 o'clock. So, um, like I got it on those X11s. I think I'm having a little issue too with that because I'm not getting the full hash rate that I should be getting too. So, but there's not a problem with that because I can tell the guy, hey, I'm gonna tell those mining rentals. They were giving me back some of the money. They were giving me back some of the money. So let me just crank it up so I can show you what's going on. All right, I'm cranking it up. Okay, this is the timer right here. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Well, if you look here, I don't know if you can see it's saying here like it's saying Stratum difficult set to 4,000 when it initiated. So what does that mean? I don't know. You know what I mean? Like why? And I saw like mine was like 4,000. I don't know why, but I think it's a difference between mine and yours. I just don't understand that. See, it says it's set to 4,000. Okay. Okay, and then on the very top it says CC minor, whatever, X64, unsupported non-option argument. C whatever, maxi, MC, whatever, D 10,000. And then it says C help, but I'm gonna see the help at, but you know what I mean? So I mean it's saying that it's set to 4,000. That's what this maybe it's my setting. I know. It's at the pool. It's at the pool for sure. It's at the pool. The problem is at the pool. But I don't know. So, well, let it warm up. Let it warm up. Let it warm up. Let it crank up. I'm gonna show you. You couldn't get lower than 5,000. Okay. Just guy. Okay. Let it warm up. I'm gonna show you the error that it says. It's gonna do it. It's doing its thing. It's gonna spit out that error. I'm just gonna put this back because I'm pretty much kind of done working with this for today. I'm gonna throw that to the side. Put this on the side. them up. But yeah, I gotta look at that. I gotta. This guy was on. He's sleeping right now. Dude is sleeping. Yeah, I know he's sleeping, but I'd said something to him. He hasn't said anything. Yeah, so I gotta look into that. I mean, I think it's right in one of the pages in the front. I think I can mess around with what coin? Osmium and what's the other one? Maximum. Osmium and maximum. Maximus. Yeah. Osmium and Maximus. I did those. I mean, if you want to test it out, test out the pool and see what's up, what's screwing up on the pool. I'm trying to fix something. Uh, yeah, yes, yeah, that's what he did. I'm gonna, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell him. I was told. I'm telling him right now. So when he gets up, he goes, when you set it at the pool. Remember when you set it at the pool? I'm gonna tell him make it variable. I'm just gonna search straight up to make it variable. All right, I sent him the message. I'm doing things. It runs fine when you get through blocks and starts to time out from not adjusting difficulty. Okay, all right, here we go. Here goes my issues right there. I don't know if it's just say this, but it says this stratum connection interrupted. That's what I get. Like, it's like kind of going through, it kind of runs a couple of lines, okay, and then I get that. You see the yellow ones? I got it wrong. See the yellow lines? I get those yellow lines. Like at first it was kind of like working good, and then I get these yellow warning ones. I don't know if that's what you're getting, but I'm getting that here on the CC minor one. Yes, I let him know about that. I just sent it to him, But I am going to look before he gets there, because then he might press a button and just this same. Okay, okay, good. We're going. I'm getting down to it. I'm gonna get that. We're gonna fix that. Hopefully, I'm fixing it. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. So, okay, I gotta get this. So it needs to be set to variable. So you know how you put like whatever that little thing and it says C whatever. Okay, I didn't scroll down. I'm thinking this is you could put 10,000. Is that like you're picking the amount that you want it to be, like you set it to, or you know what I mean? like the difficulty was it D equal whatever difficulty? Is that what you're doing? Like you're pre-telling it what you want it to be. Like you say, all right, 5,000. I want it to be 5,000, so it doesn't go over 5,000. So it's got to go from 5,000 and below, right? Is that what it is? Like in other words, is that way it works? So okay, so being it at the pool is it's forcing it to be higher because of the fact that it's already preset at the pool and not variable. See, the thing, I believe he had a variable. He didn't say that, but because he asked me, "Oh, do you want me to put make it at the pool 10,000?" It's like, I don't know. You know, what do you think? And that's what he did. It is just as you might. Okay, the starting point. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So like, yeah, so that's probably why, I get this little bouncing around. I'm going to shut it down because I am going to go. So it's just got to be, okay, difficulty, variable, that. Is that the line that it's supposed to say? Something like that? I mean, I could try to look for the line, but I don't know what to put in that code. I think I can find it, but I don't know, like, there. I'm sure I can find it. That's for low-end equipment. Okay. I think what I stumbled into the issue was that originally was because when I was I think what was happening was when I went to rent the X11, I was right. I took some snapshots because I was having issues. It was going like zigzagging. It wasn't doing it right. That's why I came up with that term. I was like, hey, I just rented a rig on Mining Rentals. What's going on? I took the snapshot pictures. I showed him it, and then he was like, oh, that's when he came up with that. 10,000 thing. Do you want me to make it at the pool? And I was like lost because I've never done that particular thing. So I was like, dude, I guess do whatever, what's best. And he did the 10,000 permanent stuck in there and glued me like that. You know what I mean? So okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back live again. I said that last time. I did come back live last time, I think. So you know what I mean? Now you got me like I want to mess around with that. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna mess around with that. I'm gonna try to go live in a few minutes or whatever. But let's see. I'm gonna mess around with that. I'm gonna look. I think it's easy to do. It's easy to do. I'm sure it's part. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Easy to do. I'm gonna scroll down where we were talking about, and I sent him a snapshot so I can see. I think he might have pointed out it's over here in this file or folder or whatever. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go there, and I'm gonna go online like right now, and I'm gonna try to adjust that if I can find it. I'm gonna try. It's an easy thing. I'm sure it's an easy thing. Just I don't know. I just don't know X11 difficulty. Yeah, me either. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get back to you on that. I'll be back, man. I'll be back. Let me go and run upstairs. Thanks for the